comes. Traveling off from Platteville, Illinois.
Sales, Illinois?
Yeah. Well, they rode it slow, that's why it took me so long.
I believe this tractor is called the Green Mill. John Deere. The first red one, I believe, down the track in the class. Behind the wheel. Red area make a ton of noise. Let's see how loud we can get this place.
Does it mean anything about taking their books to school or not?
Hey, you had a bit of tough luck. Give him a hand anyways. The winner's on.
Or not?
Am I a straight A student? Yes, of course I am.
Oh, okay.
Hey, my parents aren't here, Clyde, so I can say that on the
I'm only 6A.
Yeah, well, you think that they get back to them up the hill, they ain't that far away.
Yeah. The green light, the green flag of John Deere 4450. He calls binder grinder.
We got a lot of checks up there at the trailer where you signed in, boys. You need to get up there and pick them up because they don't want to have to send them out because the postal department is charging 44 or 45 cents now to mail them. And it won't be there for about a week.
Yeah, do they give them extra ones to the announcers?